The notice board.
公告栏
There is a notice on the building's community board about the elevator being repaired next month. Olivia and Daniel both stopped to read it at the same time.
大楼公告栏上贴了一张通知，说下个月电梯要维修。奥利维亚和丹尼尔同时停下来看。
Oh, a notice.
哇，有张公告。
What does it say?
上面写什么？
Elevator repair. Next month.
电梯维修，下个月。
Finally.
终于。
I know, right?
就是说啊，
It has been broken for so long.
它坏很久了耶。
When exactly?
是什么时候啊？
Let me see. November 12th to 15th.
我看看，11月12到15号。
4 days. That's not bad.
4天，还好嘛。
They say use the stairs.
上面说要走楼梯。
I don't mind stairs.
走楼梯我还好。
Me neither. Good exercise.
我也还好，顺便运动。
Which floor do you live on?
你住几楼？
5.
5楼。
Same. We're on the same floor.
一样耶，我们同一层。
Of course. 2 doors down.
对啊，就在2扇门的距离嘛。
Huh. Right. I forgot.
哈，对，我忘了。
5 flights of stairs. Every day.
每天爬5层楼耶。
It builds character.
就当磨练意志吧。
That's one way to look at it.
你这样想也是啦。
Is there anything else on the board?
上面还有贴什么吗？
Let me look. A lost cat.
我看看，有人在找走失的猫。
Poor cat.
可怜的猫。
Orange and white. Very fluffy.
橘白色的，毛看起来又多又软。
I haven't seen it.
我没看过它。
Me neither. I hope they find it.
我也没有，希望赶快找到。
There's a phone number. If we see it.
上面有留电话，看到可以通知。
I'll take a photo.
我拍起来。
Good idea.
好主意。
Anything else?
还有别的吗？
Building meeting. Saturday.
区全会，星期六。
Oh no.
哦不，
You don't like building meetings?
你不喜欢开区全会哦？
They take so long.
每次都开超久。
What do they talk about?
都在讨论什么？
Everything. Parking, noise, the elevator.
什么都讨论，停车、噪音、电梯。
That sounds important, though.
不过听起来蛮重要的。
It is, but 2 hours long.
是很重要，但一开就是2小时。
I'll bring coffee.
那我带咖啡去好了。
Smart man.
聪明，
Are you going to go?
你要去吗？
I always go. It's important.
我每次都去啊，蛮重要的。
Should I go too? As a new resident?
我这个新住户也该去吗？
Yes, they like to see new faces.
要去，大家喜欢看到新面孔。
Okay. Saturday then.
好，那就星期六。
Bring coffee. For 2.
带咖啡要2杯。
Deal.
一言为定。
I'll see you there.
到时候见。
Hey, can I ask you something?
嘿，可以问你一件事吗？
Sure.
当然，
What is the manager's name?
管理员叫什么名字？
Mr. Chen. He's been here 20 years.
陈先生，他在这里做20年了。
20 years.
20年。
He knows everything about this building.
他对这栋楼了若指掌。
I should introduce myself.
我找时间去自我介绍一下。
He'll like that. He appreciates good manners.
他会很高兴的，他很重视礼貌。
Got it. Any other tips?
懂了，还有什么要注意的吗？
Don't park in spot number 7.
不要停到7号车位，
Why not?
为什么？
That's Mrs. Kim's spot. She will know.
那是 Kim 太太的位子，她绝对会发现。
I'll remember that.
记住了。
Good. Okay, I have to go draw.
好，我得回去画图了。
Go. Don't let me stop you.
去吧去吧，别被我耽误了。
Saturday. Coffee for 2.
星期六2杯咖啡。
I'll remember.
忘不了的。